That voice, that is your Ori?
My Ori, the one given to me before I came to this world, open my roads today. Bring me favor where there is no favor. Let my steps meet success. Protect me from mistakes. Guide me where eyes cannot see.
The path ahead is long, but we will ride with courage.
I am ready, grandfather.
Look there, beyond the trees. Our journey begins.
I see it. It is beautiful.
The path is clear. Stay close.
Yes, grandfather. I am ready.
You are looking with your eyes again, Tunde. Eyes are for hunting grass cutters. To see what is coming today, you must use your inside. Because today, my son, something important wants to speak. And when the deep earth speaks, the surface must stay silent.
Baba, this fog is so thick.
Patience, Tunde. The sun will burn it away.
It makes everything look like a dream.
Our journey is real enough.
Baba,
Protect me from mistakes. Guide me where eyes cannot see.
so when you hold your head, you are talking to your Ori.
Yes,
And Ori hears you.
before anyone else.
Is Ori bigger than a king?
Ori is the king above all kings.
King? Inside my head?
Yes.
But I never see him before.
You don't see Ori with your eyes. You feel it with your life.
Is that why some people try hard but nothing works?
Because this head you see is not ordinary.
But it is just head now. Everybody get head.
No, my son, not everybody understands their own.
What if someone never talks to their Ori?
Then they walk through life without their greatest helper.
Baba, what should I say?
Speak from your heart. Ori understands truth, not grammar.
My Ori, I don't know you well, but please help me. Let my life be good. Make my father proud. Show me the right road. Baba, I feel somehow.
That is because your Ori has heard you.
Papa, what happens if we ignore our Ori?
When Ori is ignored, life becomes heavy. But when Ori is honored, even closed doors begin to open. So when you hold your head, you are talking to your Ori? Before you greet the world, greet the king inside you.
The king inside me?
Yes, honor your strength and spirit. Then, face the world.
I understand. So, I am not alone?
You have never been alone. As long as you remember your Ori, you will always have a guide. Before you greet the world, greet the king inside you. The heritage continues. Our past guides our future.